Where is a food?
This place, almost 60 years, this vendor feeding people with her hand.
Hello people, good morning from Bali. I'm here in Bali
to try the best food in here. Some hidden gem and some legendary places. Let's go with my friend Sarah to explore these old places.
and this video is for you. Let's go inside, let's dive in and explore all delicious food. Chicken satay freshly made right now. Let's try this, Sarah.
Yep.
Let's try this. Look at this. Oh! Oh! Impossible. Oh, full of aroma. And actually, like soft inside and outside is somehow it's crispy. This is real legendary place that you need to find and you need to visit because it was different than any chicken satay I tried in, I could say, Indonesia, even from Jakarta.
Yeah.
This is different. They have their own recipe from generation and they pass to this gentleman.
Spirit of my grandma.
Oh,
the spirit of
this
the
is spirit of your, oh.
While talking to this amazing gentleman, he explained how the generation recipe was passed down to him. That's the reason I came all the way to try this. He also explained how they don't use any artificial materials, but only banana leaves, which enhance the taste of the food and also is very beneficial for health.
Let's find out more. Can we know where we are right now?
So
The
we
name?
are in Nasi. It's almost 40 years.
40 years. Wow. So what is your favorite food from here?
Nasi takor, of course, like
Okay.
nasi campur with satay lilit. And then there is a topping we can choose, like squid or chicken
Uh-huh.
or lamb, like you.
Yeah, I love
Favorite.
that. Yeah, my favorite.
I know.
That's it.
Kiani favorite is lamb.
I smell it again.
Wow.
Oh.
The aromatic one is really
I
different.
love this. This is hidden. I love this.
From,
Okay.
from the, this is natural,
Ini apa, Pak?
it's natural spice smell.
The aroma left me speechless. I couldn't resist to take one bite.
Please, I love to know how to eat.
Little bit this, little bit this.
Yep.
Yeah, sorry. And then you
Oh.
put together. Together. Ah.
Oh.
Apa yang ada ini?
Oh my God. And then explodes in your mouth. I love this.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you. So we order some,
Nasi takor with
Nasi
topping
takor.
chicken.
yeah.
This one is lamb topping.
Wow. So we're gonna try this first
Yeah.
together. Let's do it.
Let's
you can go ahead.
eat.
Let's eat. I want to try the meat one.
Oh, okay.
The meat is very soft and very small piece. Basically, everything topping was with his hand and homemade recipe, ingredients, and some side dishes, which is sambal. And he made
Yep.
this sambal by himself and very authentic, very new style. I never saw this. So everything mixed in this plate, actually. Wow. So basically, there's a meat, beef and sambal and
Yeah.
chili and
Sambal is
Some
sambal,
salad, which
sambal
is-
from here.
really good.
Do you like it, Kiani?
I love it.
I know it. Your favorite.
Yeah, you found very good place. I love it. So this is squid made here,
Extra.
seasoned here.
Yeah.
Oh, squid, look at this.
For a moment, I got scared of Sarah's reaction after eating
Soft.
squid.
So tasty, soft, aromatic.
I love this. This is really nice. Oh God. I love the way he was explaining. And I'm obsessed with this chicken satay. This is one of my favorite chicken satay in Indonesia. I could say in Bali.
In Bali.
Yeah.
Oh my
Come
god.
on. Gonna try this one. This is chicken and tempura on top. Let's try this.
I'm curious about the lamb. Kiani.
You have to close your eyes to
Yeah.
understand the taste, you know?
Because so tasty, right?
Really good. It's tempura, yeah?
No. There's an egg.
Egg.
Fried egg.
Fried egg.
Yep, that's a fried egg.
Wow, this is really different.
You have to try. You will find in Padang too.
You think I'm animal, but this is
I really love to see.
the way you eat. Oh God.
Cassava. Fried cassava.
Kaza.
Cha.
Usually you're gonna order on the side, or you're gonna eat with the rice.
No, no, no.
On the,
Only like
oh no. Crispy and delicious. I love it. Yeah, we're gonna finish here right now, and we're going to another legendary place, and I will see you another place. See you. So this is Nasi tahu, guys, and this is basically rice with tofu, and it's come with the ingredients, homemade. Can't wait to try. I saw how they was making the rice, and I can smell the smoky in this rice, and I can't explain, but the thing I can explain is the taste, so I need to try this. It was super spicy. Wow. Oh my God. Tofu cracker. Wow. Oh my God. In just a minute, I thought that I'm gonna die. I did not thought that only rice with tofu and some delicious ingredients can just replace chicken and beef. Fluffy, sticky, and I really love it. Everything mixed in this rice, especially you need to add some cracker on to the end. I really love it. So they have only one dish, so absolutely one of the best ever. So they don't need anything else to add to their menu. Best feeling ever. You're sitting in their home. We're gonna hit the route and find another place for you guys. Thank you. Let's go. Sarah, where's our next stop?
Kusamba Beach.
Kusamba
We
Beach.
come to the beach now.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's get to the beach, guys.
Our
You're
next
right.
stop
Because
is
the sun is black.
a natural salt maker
Emirati.
lady. Can't wait to meet her. Oh my God. Never seen someone make salt in my life. This is first time ever. Oh God,
70
this is
years.
amazing experience.
70.
I'm just 36. I cannot walk from the sand until up, so he can just carry 2 gallons of water.
Ini yang udah jadi tak, Pak?
Wow, this
Ini.
is incredible. I made this all by myself. This is another hidden gem in Bali. This place, almost 60 years, this vendor here feeding people with her hand. Tell me where we are.
So we are in Karangasem, Bali.
Tell me what is inside.
Still 15 side dishes.
Yeah, I can see there is a lot.
Yeah, there's a
I
lot.
can't explain. You can see in this plate, you can see a lot of ingredients from egg, tempeh, chicken satay, sambal,
Tipat.
tipat. I want to say it correctly, tipat. And can't wait to try this. I think my bite is ready.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Yep. Creamy?
I think they just add a little bit of coconut curry
Yeah.
on top of rice. And this is insanely delicious.
Yes.
You know why? She was adding a little bit of everything to this plate. That's the reason it's so delicious than anything else. Why? Because she already touched every delicious ingredients and she put it with her hand in this plate. That's the reason this food, it gets more flavorful, more delicious, and more authentic. It's glazed and the fried, I believe, huh? I'm right? It's a fried,
Caramelized.
caramelized.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's a little bit different.
Okay. Do you like
Sweet.
it? Yeah.
Oh, it's absolutely worth it.
But worth it, right? Yes.
I love it.
Yes. We cannot find it in Denpasar. Only here.
This is a result of family business when it comes and they take it to the next generation. They're giving this delicious food new generations and it's become part of memories now. Thank you so much for watching, people. If it wasn't Sarah, I could not explore this beautiful city, this
Yep.
beautiful island. If you watched the previous video from Jakarta, we explored the food festival in Jakarta. You can watch it from here.
don't forget. And once you watch that, come back and watch another video from Bali. And if you like it, subscribe and make sure you follow her if you want to come to explore Bali
Yeah.
with a food expert. Peace.
Peace.
See you.